now in UE Square, District 9. This is a 4-bedroom, 5 toilet, 1916 square feet. This is the living area. It's bright, pretty bright. Okay, the aircon are all new, the fan are all new, and we have a KDK fan at the dining area, which costs about $700 over. This is a powder room, but they have a shower area too, and all the toilet seat has been changed. This is the dining area. New aircon in the dining area. Now here is the walkway. This is the master bedroom. New aircon, new ceiling light. This is a master bedroom toilet for the bathtub. Now we're going to the junior master bedroom. This is a junior master bedroom. Size, new aircon, new lights. This is a toilet. You got a Valentine top. Now we're going to the 2 common toilet, sharing the toilet with Jack and Jill room, okay? This is one, we call it 3rd bedroom, Jack and Jill toilet. And this is the 4th bedroom. Jack and Jill. The fridge is new, LG, brand new fridge. And the cooker hob is new, EF, brand new. I will say the hob and hook, EF, brand new. And the washer is Bosch, dryer is Bosch. This whole set costs about $3,000, brand new. This is the